Hi guys, my name is Nitin, and this is 2nd December 2020, and this is my daily profit and loss update. Okay, so today I am in loss of 599 rupees, and with the brokerage it would be 600, 650 or more. So today I'm going to analyze why I lost this money, and maybe I will not repeat those mistakes again in future. So this is my channel where I update, or you can say this is my journey to learn trading. I'm learning trading from the scratch by my own self. You can follow me and be the part of my journey, and you can learn from my mistakes because life is very short to learn from your own mistakes. You can learn from others, you can learn from me, and you can suggest me in comments what I'm doing wrong and what what I can do better. Okay, so let's start now. So I took my first trade early in the morning, uh, at 9:29 here. It was the option. uh, on this candle I took this note here. Just give me 1 minute. Here. Mm, here on this candle I took order. It was the option order and I took it here, and I was hoping it will cross here, it will go here, or maybe it will cross this line because it Nifty was approaching these levels. It approached two times yesterday, even today once. So I was thinking that Nifty will approach it here, and I bought option. Uh, I bought call of 200, 13,200 rupees call, and I was expecting, but it did not move like that. It went down here, then here. I did not, and here I knew that it will go up, and it went up, but here again I was hoping that it will go here, but it did not go there, like here on these levels. And then I left, like on this candle I left. Now you can see this, Nifty has come down far from there, so it was better for me. I I exit the trades, and I made the loss of 800 rupees in that particular trade, 828 rupees. Then I took another trade in Tata Steel here. Here, I took my trade here, not just on these levels, 183.60 paisa, and ex, I exit here, over here, somewhere here. Just let me check. So I sold it on okay 183.20, and I exit on 181.30. So I entered here, somewhere here on this candle, and I exit here on this candle. Yes, I had two orders. One order was for 99 shares, and this was this one for one share. Actually I was placing for 100 share, but by mistakenly I placed only for one. So 99 shares I exited here, and one share on this candle. uh, okay, let me analyze I did wrong and what this trade, the Nifty trade, made fail and why the Tata Steel was successful. On here, the trade I took was purely emotional based. It was pure emotional based trade. Like I was hoping, there was no levels here, nothing was here. I could buy it here. Uh, I should have bought the calls here, and my stop loss should be here. But in emotions, I bought it here, expecting here, but there was no reason to go it here. Like there is no support here, and there is no resistance, so you cannot expect anything. Of course, there is a resistance here, but there is no support for it to move up, to move the share to in uptrend. But I took it, and it was a totally emotional. First, I thought it would go here, like it will take support here and go back here. But of course, if it had taken support here, it was not a good support and resistance. Like I bought about the call here. If I would have existed here, or maybe it would be the profit here, the ratio is not good. Risk to reward ratio is not good. But in emotions, I lost it. Okay, maybe I have discussed it in our previous videos that when you are trading, keep your emotion in controls. Otherwise, you will lose. But while you are doing the trading, you cannot be sure that, like, you cannot. It's very hard. It's very hard to control your emotions, and it happened again with me. In emotions, I did not follow the rules, and I lost 850 rupees, which is 10% of my account. And then I took another trade. It was not based on emotions, it was based on technical analysis, which I did. I took my trade here. And why I took this trade, like, this is the trending line I draw. This is my technical analysis for this share, Tata Steel. This share gave a breakdown here on this candle. It went to this, like, I was watching on 1 minute chart frame. It went down here. I did not take the trade because I knew it will go it will go up, and then I will take a trade. So it is the rule, like whenever market cannot go in a single direction in one way. Like if like the market came from here to here and it went back there to here, like till here, then it went back, come down, went back. So market cannot move only in single direction. It has to recorrect itself and go back, recorrect, go back, recorrect and go back. This is the basic rule. So I knew it, and the market came here and I bought here. I bought it here. I could have bought here, but I knew that it will go back, so I bought here and sold it here. Just here, exactly here. So it was the technical base trade. This was the technical based trade. Like Tata Motors was technical based trade. Technically, it was correct, and I knew it will go down. And this was emotion based. So whenever you are trading, don't go with emotions. And you can join me here. You can join my channel, subscribe my channel, click the like button, and give me your support. I need your support. And if you have any comment, if you have any thoughts about me, and if you have any suggestion for me, you can give it in comments. Okay, thank you very much.